Set in the desirable East Side of Providence, this spacious 1930s Colonial is brimming with beautiful original details. Oak hardwood floors throughout the open floor plan gleam with natural light provided by the oversized leaded glass windows. Step inside and relax in the large living room around the brick fireplace with family and friends. The abutting dining room is a fabulous setting for meals filled with intricate details. The white eat-in kitchen features a subway tile backsplash, quartz countertops, and stainless steel appliances. Completing the main level is a powder room and a spacious family room with access to the side porch. While out in this sunny setting, you can enjoy your morning refreshment or take a minute to unwind. The second floor features a master bedroom and 2 additional large bedrooms, all with ample storage. All 3 bedrooms share a beautifully renovated full bath with a separate tub and glass door shower. The finished lower level enjoys walkout access and is a potential in-law suite or home office. On this level is a full kitchen with an adjoining dining area and a full bath. Navigate the walkable neighborhood and visit the shops and dining options along Hope Street, or visit Lippitt Memorial Park and its popular farmers market. The East Side is home to more shops and cafes on Thayer Street and in Wayland Square. Nearby College Hill is home to the campuses of both Brown University and the Rhode Island School of Design. The Amtrak station is minutes away and provides convenient travel to Boston. Downtown Providence is a home to a bevy of renowned theaters and culture. For more information, please visit the property website or call Kathy Singer at area code 401-480-3438.